मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए two amazing products by Chiltan Pure. First one is the Nana Under Eye Serum. Second is Chiltan Pure Lip Oil. First, I'm gonna use Nana Under Eye Serum, which is made of 100% natural ingredients. It contains vitamin C, glutathione, rose water, aloe vera extract. It removes your dark circles, treat puffiness, improves skin firmness, cure under eyes. Use this serum once or twice daily. Apply under the eyes and on the brow area, avoiding eyelids. You will get 100% results. Next product, I'm using lip oil by Chiltan Pure, which acts as a lip gloss. Deeply hydrate करेगा, prevent chapped lips, brighten lips naturally. इसको आप दिन में जितनी बार मर्जी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जितनी बार आपको required है, you can use it and it will make your lips soft and brightens your lips. This video was the most requested video. I am loving these two products by Chiltan Pure. Go and get yours from their website or page I'm mentioning below.